Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to replace the battery on a Porsche key fob. Alright, so my car is a 2012 Porsche Cayenne, but basically if your key fob looks like this, the procedure is going to be the same. Start by using this little switch on the bottom to pull out the physical key, and then put a flathead screwdriver in the hole that key just came out of, and you're going to lightly pry off that back cover. And that will expose the battery, which is a CR2032, which is a pretty standard size battery for watches and key fobs. That said, if you need a new one, I will put an affiliate link in the description below. So for a couple dollars, I bought a brand new 2-pack. I'm going to cut these open with a pair of scissors. And then we'll put the new battery in exactly how the old one was, with the little button side facing down into the key fob. And don't worry, because if you get this backwards, nothing catastrophic is going to happen. The key fob just won't work, and you'll know pretty quickly that you had it wrong. But now we can put the rear cover back into position, press it down firmly with your thumbs until it clicks. That's how you'll know it's fully engaged. Then reinsert the key, and you are all done. So hopefully this helped you out. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.